So you have chosen your niche, but here is the next big question. Where do you find clients? Picking the right freelancing platform is just as important as mastering your skills. With so many platforms out there, how do you decide which one is best fit for you? Don't worry, I have got you covered. After 6 years of freelancing, here is what I have learned. Not all platforms are created equally. Each one has its own client base, strengths, and purpose. To keep things simple, I recommend using just 2 platforms initially, Fiverr and Upwork. And there is third and most important platform which I'll be sharing later in the video. Now, why should we start with Fiverr and Upwork? Because these two giants have been in the market since very long, with a solid footprint of clients from all over the world. Now let me break it down for you. Number 1, Fiverr, my favorite. This platform is perfect for beginners. Why? Number 1, easy to start. Fiverr allows you to sign up and create gigs for free, making it accessible for beginners who may not have the budget to invest in premium platforms. Fiverr doesn't require you to spend money upfront. Number 2, which is I like the most, simple setup. Creating a gig on Fiverr is straightforward. You don't need extensive experience, just write a clear description of your services, upload a few examples of your work, and you are ready to go. Fiverr's user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate and get started without feeling overwhelmed. Number 3, quick task-oriented work. Fiverr focuses on short-term task-based projects, which are easier for beginners to handle compared to large, complex projects on the other platforms. Yeah, seriously, I mean, I have got jobs like, "Hey Faisal, can you download my videos from YouTube and send it to me?" Like, seriously? And I have done way simpler jobs than this as well. Like, what else do you need from a platform? Another thing is, you can choose the type of projects you are comfortable with and set your delivery time based on your skills. Number 4, global client base. Fiverr has a massive global client base, giving beginners access to a wide range of potential customers. I have worked for clients from Norway, which is far away from Pakistan, and I have worked for clients from India, which is our neighbor. So you get a variety of clients from all over the world. You don't have to pitch or bid for every job. Clients come to you by browsing your gigs, which makes it easier to secure your first few orders. Number 5, opportunity to build experience. Beginners can use Fiverr to gain hands-on experience, refine their skills, and understand clients' expectations. With each project, you will learn how to communicate with clients effectively, manage deadlines, and deliver quality work. Number 6, reviews build credibility. Fiverr's review system helps you build your credibility as you complete projects. Positive reviews from clients will attract more buyers and grow your profile. For beginners, this creates a snowball effect. A few good reviews can lead to more orders and eventually steady income. Number 7, scalability and growth. Fiverr allows you to start small and scale as you grow. You can begin by offering basic services at lower rates and eventually increase your prices as you get more work. Number 8, no niche restriction. Fiverr caters to a wide range of niches, including design, writing, video editing, programming, marketing, and more. Beginners can explore different areas to see what works best for them. And here is why Fiverr worked for me. When I was starting out, Fiverr was my first platform. It allowed me to showcase my video editing skills and get my first few clients without investing my money upfront. The ability to offer task-based services helped me to gain confidence, build my portfolio, and transition to bigger projects and platforms over time. Now here is a quick tip. Create multiple gigs that target different services within your niche. This increases your visibility and helps you attract more clients. I'll make a complete video on Fiverr, how to make your profile, how to make your gigs later on in this series. Now the second platform that you should be focusing on is Upwork. This platform caters more to IT professionals, programmers, and long-term projects. If you are someone who loves working on long-term projects, this platform is for you. The key difference here is Upwork focuses on long-term projects with high values and hourly time tracking. But the biggest barrier that can hold you back as a beginner is buying connects. Connects are a kind of credit you use to submit proposals for jobs. That's why I suggest starting with Fiverr, earning some income, and then moving to Upwork once you are ready to invest in connects and bid for larger projects. Now let's talk about a secret platform that is also free and always underestimated, and that is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not just a social network, it's a gold mine for freelancers who want to connect with high quality clients. But here is a catch. You need to have an impressive profile, showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and don't forget to add testimonials or recommendations from past clients. LinkedIn works best when you have already established some credibility in your niche. Now here is a quick recap. Start with Fiverr if you are a beginner and looking to build your portfolio. Move to Upwork when you have got some money and you are ready to work for higher value projects and long-term contracts. Leverage LinkedIn to connect with like-minded people and premium clients, but only after you have built a strong portfolio. Remember, no matter which platform you choose, your focus should be on delivering value and building long-term relationships. The platform is just a tool. Your skills and dedication are what truly make the difference. As I said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start small, test the waters, and grow from there. So work on my recommendations, and if you face any kind of difficulty, just let me know in the comments and we will work together to solve your problem. See you in the next video.